What if I told you Sanatana Dharma isn't a religion? Not a label, not a group, not even a belief system. It's something far older and deeper. Sanatana means eternal, Dharma means that which upholds truth, duty, the way things really are. Together, Sanatana Dharma is the eternal truth of the universe. It's not something you join, it's something you awaken to. It says, you are divine, not fallen, not broken, just asleep to your real nature. And life, it's not a test, it's a school, a journey, birth, death, rebirth, until you remember who you really are, whether you worship Shiva or Shakti, Krishna or Kali, whether you chant, serve, study or sit in silence. Every path is valid because the divine wears every face. Sanatana Dharma doesn't ask for blind belief, it invites you to discover through experience. So no, it's not just a religion, it's the rhythm of the cosmos, and you're already part of it.